Hey guys, welcome to Smartphone Fan, and here we have very, very special or obviously unique smartphones from two brands. One is iQOO and another from Redmi. This one, you can see BMW Motorsport Premium Partner BMW phone. Here, another one Redmi K50 AMG Pensioners Formula One team. Redmi K50 Benz Edition. Whoa, we have iQOO BMW phone and we have Redmi Benz phone. Today we will have a very quick unboxing video of these two models, and I hope you let me know which one you prefer, or maybe you prefer Benz, so you like Benz phone, and maybe you prefer BMW, so you may prefer iQOO phone. But whatever, today I'll just show you the appearance and the simple specifications of these models. So here, Benz iQOO. Okay, let's from Benz. Yes, this is the latest model from K50 and Benz. Okay, here we open it. You can see the Benz phone. Gaming design. Yes, 6.67-inch smart screen and fast charging, 120 watts. Experience, rear cameras, triple rear cameras, 2-color LED flash, and the punch hole in the middle of the screen. It's both four speakers, GPO done by GPO, and a lot of racing cars element here. Racing, the icons, the lines are the inspiration from Benz. Here, the Benz phone. Okay, another one is the BMW phone. Is called iQOO. Yes, iQOO. Okay, here it's the Benz iQOO phone. You can see the logo here. There's the classical three colors of BMW: red, black, and blue. So it's the BMW color. It's called the Fascinate Meets New Illumination, and microphone also triple rear camera, and okay, punch hole in front of the screen. Not dual speaker, no full speaker, and also support 120 watt charging. Okay, this is two designs of these two models. So which one you prefer? This one or this one? This one or this one? Benz or BMW or BMW or Benz? Here. Yeah. You see? Also, the screen wallpaper is Benz here, BMW colors. So both of them are inspired by there are a lot of things inspired by the racing car team. If you ask me which one I prefer, I will see this. I will choose this. Not because of Benz, it's because of the first logo. The logo is here, so I think why they don't add logo here is I'm also questioning about it. And then the design element, design language, a lot of racing. You can see it's the racings, but there this is your mirror reflection, and a lot of elements. You can see icons here, a lot of special designs. Also this one they have it's for gaming, but they have lock button. See, lock, unlock, lock, lock, unlock, lock, unlock, lock, unlock, and they have real buttons. So lock it will sync, unlock it will up, so you can play games. very smoothly and fruitily, and it also have very good sound effect, and also for speakers, shock shock experience for this gaming. Like yes, I would choose this one, but this one is also good. It's white and it's black. To be frank, I like white more than black, but the design is more immersive when we talk about the co-brand edition. This one is a bit simple, just few elements and it's normal design. So here is very quick, very quick. Also, another thing I want to mention is this is not the latest iQOO model. The next generation is iQOO 9, but this one is iQOO 7. So maybe. Actually, I have this iQOO 9. It seems the camera is different, but the design language is similar. So this is hard to choose. And also the specification is different. This SD888 and SD8 Generation 8. Also, it have the both of them have the LPDDR5 plus UFS 3.1. Also, big charging, fast charging. Also 2K display and 2K display. So the spring, so the specification both are very good. I just my personal choose is here is this one. So make comment here and let's see which one you prefer, and thanks for watching. Let's stay tuned and let's waiting more gadgets and more special videos from here, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.